some shades. Now the only thing that got me one time I ordered shades from here, I want shades that got like a prescription in it. It's not. How you gonna send me the shades and they're not ombre? Oh, now these are shits, right? I'm not sure if they should be like they low key. Hold on, I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna put those on. I really can't see, but I'm not sure if the color looks alright. Everything tinted. Everything tinted. But the color, it's the color. All right, so that's Warby Parker. Need the highlight, bro. Okay, it did it. So that's Warby for today. I'm coming through fucking shit up today. Let's hit the Apple store. Fuck it. But how can we help you today? Bitch, I need shit for free. give me a free iPhone. I'm like, listen, I just got this fucking phone and it done ran out of memory already. There's nothing to really do at the Apple store, but we're gonna see what Apple got. Okay, they got some mini speakers. They have mini HomePods. And then I don't know why people even get AirPods. They're only in one color. Plain as fuck. You could at least got black. These shits come in multiple colors. But why the fuck you walking around with those big ass shits on? You ain't no DJ, bitch. You ain't no DJ. What is this? A charging dock. This shit that you get just because it look cool. Why the fuck would you? I don't know. Auto tracking stamp. Oh, shit. Oh, hell no. Hold on. Listen, if this shit moves, it says auto tracking. If this shit moves, bro, while you're recording, you know how, like, does this automatically move by itself? Like, it'll move.
What? You're saying this thing right here?
Like, it say auto tracking. So, like, if you put the phone here, will it move the phone?
There'll be an app. You'll put it on there, and the app will track your face. And as you move, you can walk around. It'll move.
Oh, hell no. How much is this shit?
Yeah.
Oh, 180.
What you mean?
It's different.
What you mean?
Different.
It might be.
So, Deluxe 3. Anything else? See what they got, bro. Oh, I actually gotta come here. Got this big ass TV. I gotta come here to take a class. I gotta take the little, they can teach you actually how to draw and Procreate on your iPad. I'm not sure what to press to play. Oh, we can play games? Hold on. What game will we play? I ain't got time to be playing no 2K24. Let's play some Sonic. Let's play some easy ass shit. Do I press this? Oh, what is this? I don't know what this is. And I don't know what it's trying to get to. Oh, is it the TV? I don't know. I don't have time. The Beats. I guess that's a cool little iPhone watch shit. With the bridges. That one. Yeah, they got some cool wristbands and shit. All right, that's it for Apple. Let's get the fuck out of here.